Hi, I'm Carolyn. You must be Bob, right?
I guess I am. I mean, yes, sometimes. Would you like a cup of coffee?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Caroline, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
A cappuccino, please?
I love cappuccino. How did you know that?
A good guess. I mean, I don't know, I just had a feeling.
Yeah? Must be a mind reader or something.
Or something.
Things are so weird, right?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Oh,
Thanks.
thank you.
You know, you must be a psychic or something, because, I don't know how you do my...
Robert! Hey, long time no see, Roberto. How
Bobby.
you doing, man?
It's been a while. What brings you down to the mission?
Oh, my friend Betsy, she's setting me up with one of her friends, and we're supposed to meet here. Caroline. Yeah, I told her to look for a guy reading a newspaper. That way I can check out the cow before buying the milk. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, apparently she's got a great personality. So, how'd you two meet? Internet? Yeah?
No, actually not. Bobby, this is,
I'm Susan.
Susan.
Nice to meet you. Actually, I'm finished with the newspaper if you want it for your date. Good luck.
Yeah, have a good date. Enjoy the wait. So, you know Betsy?
Yeah.